Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Doechii's face on Dress to Impress. For the skin color, I used this color, 624034. And then for the eyes, I used this one in the color black. It's like above the white eyes. Then for the brows, I used this one next to the curvy one. This is very distinctable from the rest. For the lips, I use the one with the liner in the color 91A076. For contour, go to the masculine face and then select this one. Color it 6D4839. For the rest of the face, use this blush. Go back to the feminine makeup and then select this blush. And then color it 6D4839. Then use this one, this makeup, and then color it A2725B. Then for the nose, use this one in 6D4839, and then go back to the masculine, go to nose and select this one in the color white. Then go back to the feminine face, go back to the eyeshadow, and then select this one and color it EEC4B2. And lastly, go to skin, select this one and color it 64839. And there's Doechii for you. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.